Guys, before we get started with this video, click that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon.
I can't take no more, no more, no more. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. But I like to party.
Hi, welcome to my unboxing of the C1. This is the most awaited phone on Flipkart $1 billion sale, and as you can see, this is the box and it comes for a price of 6,999. And here I'm very excited to get this phone today, as I had to wait for a long time. And as you can see, this is Oppo Realme. It had a tie-up with Oppo. Now Realme is having their own phone and own products. So this package looks pretty good. Opening the box now. I'm doing a quick review of the phone, and I'll be doing a full in-depth review tomorrow. As you can see, and you can see a pen ejector, a beautiful casing to protect the phone if the phone falls down. It looks pretty expensive. Now this are the instruction books provided by Realme, and this is the real deal. The phone, the C1, looks good. Opening the seal now.
Stop myself from calling, but I really wanna know if you're someone new. Since you've been gone, I've been dancing on my own. This boy's up in my zone, but they can't turn me on. 'Cause baby, you're the only one I'm coming for. I can't take no more, no more, no more. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. But I like to party, but I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Since the day we partied, but I got nobody, so I do it so low.
Now I'll continue with the Face ID. I'm trying with the Face ID now. This works, I believe, very well. See, it's so fast. It's done. Done in seconds. Now let's continue. I'll show you the Face ID again. Oh, look at the display. It's awesome. My god, it's mind-blowing for a 6,999 phone. It's beautiful display, premium. Wow. And what I'll do is I'll do a full review tomorrow for the camera, for the face unlock, the processor speed. I'll put in a few games, new games, and I'll see how it works, and then I'll give a full review. And also I'll be doing reviews about new phones, and most of them budget oriented phones. So please subscribe to my channel for more updates, and do like my channel. Thank you.